everyone and welcome to another weekly vlog. This week it is just a weekend vlog because this is Saturday and it's the first time that I've picked the camera up to speak to it. We have just got back from a very long but very enjoyable day down at Bristol Harbourside, which in an area which is called Millennium Square, where they've had a free festival going on called the Bristol Festival of Nature, which has lots of exhibitors like Bristol Zoo and the Water Company and the Wildlife Trust and the RSPB and so on and so on and so on, all geared towards trying to get you doing a little bit more for nature and to get a little bit wild and to think about your waste production, you know, reducing plastic and all that kind of stuff. Loads of stuff for the kids to get involved in, and we had a very yummy ice cream afterwards. So it was really lovely. So I filmed quite a bit of it, so I will show you all that now. Enjoy.
course it's cold. It's ice cream. Lick it.
Bye, you two.
Bye.
Bye. April.
Bye.
Bye.
See you, pal.
Bye. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Ryan has taken the kids out for most of the day. It sounds like he's going to, which is quite nice for me. I believe they're going shopping. Don't know exactly what for, but it is my birthday next week, so I wonder if it might have something to do with that. And I think they might be going back down to the Festival of Nature again because it's on for a second day. But there's a lady speaking who's one of the CBeebies presenters that Libby really likes and has met a couple of times, called Fern. Fern presents My Pet and Me, for any of you mums out there. So she's doing a talk at 12 o'clock, so they might go down and try and see that. So I am, well, I could be having a nice relaxing day or going shopping or getting a facial or something, but no, I am going to get out in my allotment because it is overrun with weeds and it really needs some serious attention. So I am going to spend a few hours doing that. It is quite therapeutic actually, and it is a good workout, so let's get it done. So guys, this is what we're dealing with. I was not lying when I said that the allotment was overrun with weeds. There is nothing growing in this, or this plot, except for weeds. In this one, believe it or not, there are some beetroot, some peas, some carrots and some parsnips growing. But you'd be lucky if you could find them. Nothing in this one or this one, but I think I would like to get a couple of bits in today. And my strawberries are looking good. Oh, I need to pick some. Oh, yummy. They're looking really nice. So I'll pick some today. And also my garlic's there. Again, quite difficult to see with all this long grass and weeds. Best get cracking. I've been weeding for about 25 minutes and all I've managed to do so far is 2 patches. Obviously they still need digging over, but it's amazing the difference you can make just by pulling out some long weeds. I've still got a really long way to go, but I'm just going to crack on. It's funny how your mind just clears when you're doing stuff like this. All you're focused on is what you're actually doing. I'm trying to stay positive and focus on the progress that I'm making rather than the progress I've still yet to make. As with a lot of things in life, I think that's quite a good philosophy. Not easy to live by, but we can try. Welcome to the state of my face after 4.5 hours of digging. I'm absolutely exhausted. It's really hot this afternoon as well. Oh, I'm knackered, but I've made good progress. There's still a few bits I need to do. Well, I mean, when you run an allotment, it's not really an allotment, it's like next to our garden, but it's pretty big. When you grow veg or do any kind of gardening, it's never completely done. You always have to keep on top of it, but I feel really pleased with the progress I've made. Still a bit to do, but I feel like I've done a lot of good work today, that I'm going to call it a day now because I'm exhausted and I need to start on tea and I need to have a shower and the kids will be home soon, I think. It's gone 3 and they're still not back. So yeah, hopefully they've had a good day. I know that Libby saw Fern. I saw a picture of that Ryan sent me, really cute. She drew her a picture to take to her, so it was really, really cute. But I will show you the progress I've made in the allotment. Right, I'm just going to pretend that all that over there and over there isn't happening. I'm going to pretend that's not happening. But this patch is all done. I've had no luck getting any pumpkin seeds to grow in my greenhouse, so I put some more straight in the ground, and I've put this plastic tub on top to see if anything will happen there. This one's all weeded and dug over. I'm going to be putting my sweet corn plants in there. This one I've made a start on, but I need to dig it over and get all these stubborn weeds out, so that's still to do. But yeah, sweet corn will also go in there. This one still needs to be done. I've pulled some big ones out again. I'm not even sure if I'm going to plant anything in there this year, so I might even just leave it, so I'm not too worried about this one. This, I've got some stuff in. I've weeded between it all, so we can now clearly see what I've got. We've got beetroot, carrots, then a gap, and I might put either another row of beetroot or carrots in there, parsnips, and at the end there I have propped up all my pea plants on canes. I've not grown them before, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but that seemed to be right because they were drooping over, so hopefully they'll do all right. This patch is done, and I've put my 2 squash plants. They've been growing in the greenhouse, so I've put 2 in there. I might cover them over because I think the birds will like them. And then in this little one here, I've got a courgette plant. I only need 1 because they get really big. Same there's only 2. It doesn't look like much, but they'll grow absolutely massive. And then again, ignore all this grass because I need to get the strimmer out, but I didn't like the strimmer, so I won't mind to do it. We can actually see my garlic. It's got room to breathe. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with all that.